Well, good morning. It's about 5:30 on Monday. First snowstorm for 2025. About an inch, I guess, in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. That's it, what it looks like on my shoe here. Not a whole heck of a lot. But it's kind of like a wintry wonderland out here. Looks like it's kind of nice. But we're packing up the shovels and going to be heading out, making sure that our customers have their walkways, depending on how much they've got out in the different areas that I travel to, whether they're driveways or their walkways and stuff, need a little bit of snow removal. So we'll be doing that today. So I hope you're having a good day as I am, and we'll see you soon.